Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are upgrading a classic panty pattern with this super cute lace detail on the leg openings. And I will show you exactly how to add this trick to literally any panties pattern you already own. We are trimming few centimeters from the main pattern and replacing it with a lace for soft feminine finish. If you love lingerie and swimwear sewing, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment or hype this video. Now let's jump right in. For this style you will need a main fabric, then a small piece of your lining fabric. I'm using cotton jersey for both. Then a stretch lace and plush back elastic for the waistline. First thing we need to do is to make some changes on the pattern pieces. So I think I like to have the finished lace edge about 3.5 centimeters, something like that. So I will remove 3 centimeters from the leg openings on the front piece and also on the back one. So I'm removing 3 centimeters here. And also on the front one. Now I cut the pieces from the paper. And then the crotch piece stays same without any changes. I'm using the second style of the Mila Panties. Now I can cut one crotch piece from the lining fabric. Then front and back from the main fabric. I'm cutting both pieces on fold. And one main crotch piece. And now the lace. I cut 3 centimeters from the main pieces, so I need to add the seam allowance here. I will cut 3.5 centimeters strips, and it will be somewhere here. One, and the second one from the other side. And then first thing we need to do is to place the front and the back pieces right sides together and pin and sew both side seams. I used just this stretch stitch, which I showed you in the previous videos on the regular sewing machine. Now we can turn the panties to the right side and we can start pinning the lace right side facing the right side of the main fabric. I'm not stretching the lace. Or maybe just a little bit. make it from, yeah, I think we can make it from the same piece, but I just need to check. I don't know, I just wanted to have it symmetrical, so I need to use the second edge because it's mirrored. Yeah, okay, so we have, which one? This one, and this right on the side seam. So I'm just trying to make the lace symmetrical or perfectly mirrored. And right here, this one here. Okay. Oh my. And then the back. And we have the end of the back lace right here. Yep. Now we can stitch both leg openings using a zigzag, serger, or the same stretch stitch as I used right here. At this point we can also prepare the other pieces. So overlap and baste the elastic edges about 1 or 1.5 centimeters. And place the main and lining crotch pieces right sides together and pin the longer edges. Now we can take all pieces and move to regular sewing machine. And the second side as well. At this point we can switch to regular zigzag and top stitch both leg openings. Stitch the crotch pieces together. Then turn the crotch piece right side out and mark a center of both edges. And on the back and front pieces as well. Then align the center marks, right sides together, and pin the front and the back crotch seam. And stitch them. Don't forget to backstitch. Then stitch the elastic edges. I'm using just a zigzag stitch. Then mark a quarters of the waistband elastic. And the panties top edge as well. Align these quarters. And baste and stitch the elastic with your panties together. I'm using 3-step zigzag stitch today and gently stretching the elastic to keep the fabric nice and flat. Don't forget to backstage. And our Mila panties with this beautiful lace detail on both leg openings are done. Tell me in the comments if you like this version. I think I love it. And we can try them on.